Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn your photo into a super fun Figurine Me Up animation using Pixverse. It's quick, easy, and the best part, Pixverse will give you free daily credits so you can generate without paying anything. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Pixverse and then you can use it on the web or you can download the app from the Play Store if you are on Android. And once it's open, just log in with your Google account. It's super simple, just one click and you are ready to go. Next, from this main dashboard, just look for template sections and then tap it. This one, just tap it, and then just search for Figurine Me Up. This one, just tap on it. Like this, and then just tap on use template and then just upload the photo that you want to transform. Choose a clear photo with your face visible for the best result. For example like this. And when you're done, select the photo, just tap on create. And then just go to mine and then wait for the process, this one. And okay, your video is ready. Let's try to play it. Okay, like this. As you can see, your photo transformed into a cool figurine style animations like this. And once it's done, you can download it right to your device and then you can share it on your social media. And okay, that's it. You have just made your very own Figurine Me Up animations in Pixverse. Super fun, right? Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!